Welcome guys to another unboxing video here at TMTV. And for today, we'll be unboxing one of the latest true wireless earbuds released in 2020. So let's start! This is indeed the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. I got this for free by pre-ordering the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. However, it took some time before I got it because you'll only be able to redeem once you have your pre-ordered phone. Now let's see what's inside the box. Alright, first thing that you'll find is the charging case and another little box. By the way, you can only redeem the white version as Samsung does not give you an option to choose the other colors. So this small box contains the charging cable and the other earbud tips and wing tips. You'll get two more choices with regards to improving the level of comfortability. As we all know, we have different ear sizes or different feelings and taste when it comes to wearing or using these devices. The package also includes some documentation, which I think is really important for those first-time users. These are the quick start guide and the warranty card. As for the case, it has a glossy finish, which projects more of an elegant look. Once open, you'll find L and R labels for left and right, which look like buttons, but they're actually not. The case can be charged using the USB-C port on the back or through wireless charging. The earbuds are magnetic. They are held pretty well and secured inside the case. Now let's have a closer look. Here we have the Galaxy Buds Plus and the charging case. The Buds Plus has a massive 11 hours playtime, and with the charging case, it will be 22 hours playtime. We also have the standard USB-A to USB-C charging cable, which is about 2.5 feet in length. And lastly, we have two extra pairs of earbud tips and wing tips to give us room for ear fitting and adjustments. I've been using the Buds Plus most of the time. I use it for calls, watching videos, and listening to music. The quality for voice calls is okay, but there's still more to improve in this area. For videos and audios, the sound quality is far better. The earbuds fit well in my ears and does not fall off easily even with the head banging or head shaking. I would give it a thumbs up because why not? It's free.